Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where magic meets beauty. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to go from 0 to 100. Okay, so I'm going on a little date night tonight, a little double date night, and I'm just going to show you guys how I go from this showered, oiled, moisturized, tanned look into this look right here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please hit like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I'm starting, my hair is wet, I'm just going to let it air dry. When I tone it, I really like to wrap it in like a t-shirt or a rag just to really lock in the moisture and the color, and also so it doesn't like transfer onto like my sofas and stuff, because it's really pretty messy. So, is mommy going out tonight?
Me too.
Not you two. Are you eating biscuits? Ew. What color is mommy's hair?
Pinkie pie.
Do you like it, Pinkie Pie?
Yum, yum.
Oh, you smell like chocolate.
You smell like chocolate.
You smell delicious. Okay, so to start off with, I am using the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in the shade Toasted Coconut. So the toner that I use in my hair is Blonde Me by Schwarzkopf, in the shade Strawberry. And I also, when it's like a platinum blonde, I use the shade Ice. I'm going to go in with my concealer from Huda Beauty also. I love pairing them together because they just complement each other so much. This is in the shade Coconut Flakes. I am quite heavy with my concealer because I love the finish that it gives. Now let's set it. So for setting, at first I like to go in with some Kylie loose setting powder in the shade Soft Pink. This is one of my favorite setting powders ever. It's just so brightening and so velvety. And I just put a little bit in my pan.
Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation.
I'm going to use a little mixture of both the Charlotte Tilbury and the Hello Flawless powder from Benefit. I'm going to start with a little bit of Hula from Benefit. My hairline. And I'm also going to do my jawline. The sound of the weather outside, I don't even know why I'm bothering, because I feel like I'm going to be soaked. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to go in with the KKW Beauty in the shade Grace. For application, I tend to go like in the center of my cheek here, and I just pat it on so I can have that nice cheekbone effect. Okay, now I'm going to do my brows. So for brows, I am using the Brow Lift from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Supermodel.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging
And for highlight, I'm going to go in with some Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love to wear this highlight from Amrezy, the collab, for nights out because I know it's going to last me all night. I know that dewy glow is going to photograph really well. I just really love this highlighter. So I tend to keep it for like nights I'm going out. I'm going to set my face with some dewy set from Anastasia. And I put it on my neck and my chest too.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure that
Using a KKW Beauty lip collab. I am using Nude Lip Liner 2, and I am using Nude 4 in the lipsticks.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball.
Okay guys, for tan, I am using the Luna Bronze Eclipse Tanning Mousse. I love this fake tan. It's actually natural and organic. And it's actually really pretty. You guys can get this on Cameo. I'm really inspired as well by Kim Kardashian's new launch, like the 90s supermodel, like that dark eye, the heavy makeup, the smoke.
Bitch, you want BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you want BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
Okay guys, so I was on a phone call to my sister, but I still needed to get ready, so all I did was I applied some black shadow from the James Charles palette into my waterline and also the under eye as well. And I'm going to show you what I did with the, I'm taking a light pink from the James Charles palette, like a nice shimmer, and I'm just applying that to the inner corner of my eye socket. Just very lightly, very light hand, just to open the eye a bit because the whole look is very dark. So I'm using the Samantha lashes from Huda Beauty. I don't know what I'm going to wear because the only leggings that I had clean are see-through, so I need to wear something that covers my butt. I'm actually so overdoing this now.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
Boom! Just Joey now. Wipe myself a little beard. This is Dry Hot Lager. Am I not cool? Am I not bougie? Okay guys, I'm all done. I'm finally ready, even though that was a hugely long get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some good fashion inspo so you guys can make your own look. I just kept my hair nice and wavy because I felt like it really went well with like the whole 90s-esque theme. I'm out of breath. I don't know why. So I just decided to wear like a black silky little mini dress, which I thought was really cute with the whole 90s look. And I've got like a little gold necklace on as well. So I hope you guys had fun watching my Ready With Me inspo 0 to 100 look. I'm away to take some pictures now for the thumbnail, and I hope I don't get too wet when I go out.